Here we go. What's going on, guys? So I just got my clutch master cylinder out. I think this is the root of the issue. I'm pretty sure it is. It was when I pulled it, when I took it out, it was like leaky back here, so it's probably just not building enough pressure. So we're gonna try to get this thing replaced, and then yeah, but before we're gonna go eat and do that dance, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, I ate something. God, what food does to you. It's so exciting. I was all frustrated in trying to get this thing out, but the brake cylinder out. I had best luck by taking off the reservoir. So if you guys are the far bolt, I don't know if you guys ever done this, but the far bolt's a pain in the butt. If you take out the reservoir, you can get to it easily. Yes.
All things are possible, brother. All things are possible.
You gave him inspiration. Suspect.
What are you getting? I'm trying to get this. I did that one.
Gotcha.
That's the bottom. I'm working on the bottom.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Just didn't know.
Yeah, the top one is pretty good.
The mic wasn't on. The Pump City. Time to pump it up. Alright guys, so it's still not building pressure. I have a feeling it's a slave cylinder. I might just get a direct line and bypass the OEM stuff just to a brand new slave, brand new clutch master, and then just if that doesn't work, then then I don't know what it is at that point. So I need to order some jams, but it's all good. We tried. I wanted to take at least like the first step for precaution and pretty much factor out the brake master cylinder or clutch master cylinder, and then we'll do slave cylinder, and then from there we'll move on. And I'm just gonna get a direct kit, a direct line, because it's cheap, it's easy, and Juku sells them like for nothing. Like it's not that expensive. So holla. Still not. Yeah, I don't know what to do at this point, but new clutch master is installed in the old gal. She's looking right, you know what I'm saying? So all I just want to do is daily this car so bad. So. But closing up shop, we had a good day. We tried, so. An awesome day with my dad, working on the car, getting the brake clutch master cylinder replaced. Seemed to be not the main issue, but I'm sure it has a key factor in between their slave cylinder. I'm probably just gonna replace the line and the slave next, and then from there, if there's still issues with building pressure, there shouldn't be. Like there's no. Yeah, I'll probably replace the line, replace the slave cylinder, see what's going on. That should fix it. If I'm still having issues, then I don't know what to do. We'll figure it out then. But for now, I'm pretty sure I just gotta order the parts and get everything in and replaced and bleed the clutch again. It's all good. It's all love. I'm hyped. I just want to daily the car. Like honestly, that's like my main goal is just daily the car. Like I don't want to do anything just because drive it every day and just have fun with it. From there, I still have to fix the leak that's coming from the valve cover, So we still have a little bit of work to do, but I'm probably, once I get everything fixed where I can drive it, I'll probably just slowly build it over time. I'm not really in a rush to make it look crazy all of a sudden and whatnot. So I'll probably just relax and take it easy, just enjoy it and drive it around. Yeah, and I really I can't not wait to drive it. It's so exciting. So, but with that, I love you guys. Happy Wednesday. Holla at you boys. Just really been preparing for this next year or so. I've just been really working on some side stuff and trying to get everything situated. This Saturday is a drift event. I'm just going there to film Club Loose opening moves. A lot of the homies are coming out, so it'll be a good time to hang out. If you're going to English Town, hit me up. It'd be cool to chill out with you guys, hang out and do whatnot. So I'm gonna be chilling there. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to get back into like the drift environment with the homies and have a good time. So holla at your boy, guys. We love you so much. Happy Wednesday, man. Holla at your boy.
I work hard every motherfucking day, yeah.